participants, tug of war, stay on the track and field area. Thank you. Again, the losing, the team that will lose in this event will still have another game against Section J. The losing team between K and H will still have a game against Section J for first place. Section A.
Yes.
Okay, Section H, stay there. Section J. Caulfield will be battling for third place. This will be battle for third. Section J versus Section H. Our championship game will be between Section E and Section K.
What? This is video.